If you're on DecoNetwork's premium or enterprise plans, you have access to what's called the blank product filter widget. Now, this widget is only available on the blank products page. So, if you come to this page, you can drag and drop a very powerful widget to allow your customer to filter by category, size, color, brand, price, and other variables. So how do we get this on here? Well, let's make this 2 columns wide. And let's come into widgets. And let's drag and drop the blank product filter widget onto the page. And then we can configure how we want the customer to be able to filter. So you can see here the customer can filter by category, brand, size, price, process. So if we preview. So if the customer wants to just see navy t-shirts, well, I could choose t-shirts, I could choose blue, and I could choose navy. And specifically, I only want to see navy blue shirts available from Gildan because I'm price conscious. The customer can filter by all these different variables. Again, this is only going to be available to those on the premium enterprise plans. Now, what's also very popular is to change the list order. So you can see we can filter here by category, size, color, brand, process, price. The one at the very bottom is search. So I made that don't show. And what I will do is I'll come back here to widgets and I'll drop the blank product filter tool on here. And this time I will choose to show the search. And we'll just go ahead. And for this search, after we click show, we'll change the text to search. And what that allows me to do is control which device we make it available on. As the customer goes onto a smaller device, this filter tool gets too big. So I don't want the filter tool on a phone. But I do want the search from the filter to be available. And I absolutely can by breaking it up. If I want this to not be on the left-hand column, maybe I want it to be across the top, I can drag it up across the top. But right now we're doing a vertical drop down. Maybe I want to go horizontal. If I go horizontal, you'll see that it's going to list the variables across the top. I could also do a vertical drop down or a horizontal drop down. If you have any questions on how to enable and dial in the settings for the blank product filter tool, simply visit DecoNetwork help resources and/or our YouTube channel. Thank you.